Hey everyone, this is Shawn from Advanced Business Communications. Hope you're doing well. I'm trying to slowly get back to normalcy. I'm actually in the office for the first time in quite a while, but I had this demo kit made, as you can see behind me, of our camera system that we provide and sell to our commercial customers. And it got me thinking about, there's a new camera, fairly, it's actually been pushed a little bit faster than normal, but it's a thermal camera. It helps with taking temperatures, and also it comes in a couple of varieties. It can come like a bullet style, like this one here, or a dome style. And there's a handheld option. But anyhow, what it does is it basically helps with pre-screening temperatures as employees or customers, clients come in your building. It alleviates having someone sitting there taking a temperature of every single person. You can create a range to where if the degrees falls within a certain range, you can pull that person aside and take their temperature with an FDA device. And now these cameras aren't FDA approved, but they are they're perfect for pre-screening, and they'll set an alert, whether it's an email or a chime or a strobe or something, but somehow, and then they can be at your entry in the hallway, so you can direct people to them. But it's a great new thing that we have available here soon. And if you're interested, let me know. I can give you a quote, show you a little bit more. But you know, with some of these manufacturing and facilities that deal with lots of people, they're spending hours and hours pre-screening. So this is going to save a lot of time and effort. So if you're interested, let me know, and I'll come out and talk to you, and maybe have one with me. I can show you. So stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.